Oh man, it's been so long since I've been here. I am back at Old Glory in Frederick, Maryland. Let's go in and see what they got. Dude, check out this freaking Murano lamp. What? Oh, look at this. That's so cool. It looks like a blue opalescent king crown. Northwood. That's so pretty. A little checkerboard moment. That's a pretty little bud vase. $70. Viking. And look at that little Murano clown. That is so sweet. I love the size of that. I love this style too, and I actually have one like that I got at Lemoyne when I wasn't filming. I almost don't want to sell it. Check. Oh gosh, that's pretty. I love that style. Man, there's a sale in this booth too. I feel like it's not usually on sale. Lots of bangles. These look like contemporary ones. I am obsessed with that antique horse. What does the tag say? Antique pottery horse statue. Italian. Of course it's Italian. The French and Italian. I can't say no. Hey, talk about the hand of the hour. Check out that glove dish. That's $15. I kind of want to grab that. I'm gonna have to get a key for that. Let's see what else they got in here. Okay, let's be honest though. This is what I'm really here for. Let's fill her up and then go get the key. I think I'm gonna start with this little planter. $7.50. I'll take that. But oh my god, shut up. $25. That is beautiful. That's a yes. Oh my gosh, it's been so long. I'm so excited right now. Look, more cats. Weird cat. I'll take that. I don't even know where to begin. Look at this guy. $6.50. I'll take that. Oh my gosh, I'm so overwhelmed right now. Look at that, the little dragon, little bluebird of happiness. $8.50. Why not? Wait, look at this. Is that a little box? Oh my gosh, I've got too much in my hands already. Whoa, look at that. That's really cool. England. What is that, Wedgwood? No, Langham. That's cool. I'm not familiar with that, but I really like the look of it. Whoa, what's that? Is that a mushroom mug? Dude, what? That's spectacular. There's no space and there's no baskets. This is amazing. $6.50. I'm gonna take that too. I'm just gonna start a pile. And then look at this, the theater mask trinket box. That's only $6.50. Whoa, daisy, glass daisy mugs. Another little cat. That one's a little spendy. Cat bottle. $12.50. Those are contemporary. I got a pink one recently. Still a good price, I'd say, but I don't usually mess with them. But the pink one, I was like, well, how can I not? Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking overwhelmed. Look at this crazy mug. Early horror mug. That's neat. Weird cat figurine, $4.50. I'll take that for my cat sale. I'm gonna try and keep it shelf by shelf. Here's another cat, $15. Which is this one? $3.50. $3.50, I'll take that. All right, now, little turtle trinket, $4.50. That's kind of neat. What's this? Oh, that's cute with the daisies. More cats. That's at $9.50. Oh yeah, this is what I was going to look at. Porcelain roses, $6.50. That's sweet. These are two things I'm probably gonna get. I'm still looking around. Like I said, it's been so long since I've been here. I'm kind of crazed. Let's see what's going on over on this shelf. Look at that penguin box. Whoa, telephone pincushion, $7.50. Does it have the measuring tape? It does. Look, you can see it sticking out of there. That's awesome. We'll take that. Wait, what's going on? Oh, NFS. I was going to say, those mannequin heads are super hard to find for sale. So that makes sense. What else they got? Gosh, there's just so much. Let me not abandon my Welcome home hostages. Interesting. Smiley watch with lenticular. That's kind of cool. Kids toy watch. Cute. Oh my gosh, look at this Pippi. She is everything. 9 Love and Learn doll. Interesting. Never seen that before. $12.50. I don't know how much more I could get out of that, but I'm gonna continue my pile. You know, I usually do 2 laps here through these booths. I haven't even finished. All right, why am I being weird about picking this up for $8.50? I don't know. Let's see what else I can find before I get it together. You know, it takes me a minute sometimes. Bud vase, $6.50. That's kind of cool. Lucite. And then over here, cat tin, 15. That's about what, a little less, probably about what I'd get for that after fees. Cloisonne compote. That's nice. Little monkey. $3.50. How cute. Cat box. $6.50. I'm still kind of soaking it all in, honestly. I think I'm gonna I'm gonna come back to this area. I'm gonna bypass the clothing. Let me look over here right quick. Make sure I'm not missing anything too obvious. I thought again about the glove box and the glove dish, and I thought 15 might actually be a little close on that. It's kind of a gamble at that price. But, oh my gosh, they have Easter out. And wedding dresses? What? Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's put this down. This duck is phenomenal. $3.50. I'll take that. And, yeah, let's have some fun. I see the leprechaun. Oh my gosh, what's happening over here? Is this Valentine's Day? How neat. These wedding dresses. So overwhelmed. Well, I'm also gonna go ahead and grab this little pink lamb figurine. I know it's not in the best shape, but it's so cute. Yes, this is what I was looking for. Oh, that cat plate is still there. That's at 32. I think this owl had a little nick on it, which is why it was still there. The little ballerina's cute. Let's see. Oh my gosh. There's more. There's more. Where do I want to begin? What's in these boxes? Oh, perfumes. I don't want that. Let me close that up. $6.50. I don't have, that one has a broken flower. $6.50. This one's pretty great. I know I don't usually do that well with these, but for $6.50, and it's got its rhinestone and its chain, 365 cats, might as well. And I love this Lefton duck. $6.50. I'll take that. What's this weird little thing? I feel like this is spendy, and I've looked at it before, but it's so freaking pretty. Yeah, 95. Gosh, that's so gorgeous. There's also something in here that catches my attention. Usually can't afford this booth, but at least not for resale. It's that face in there. I'm sure it's expensive, but oh my gosh, is it ever pretty. That pink gold feather. Oh man, I like really love the mouth on that. That's super neat. $2.49. Look at all their awesome glow glass. Ooh, Bakelite. Hey, check out this red one. $25. And that's really pretty too. $38. This one's got the original Blanco sticker on it. How much is that one? I'm curious. $50. And look at this weird Jack in the Pulpit style. So I've only ever seen one of these once, and I actually own it. This one's at $75, and I think it's like the coolest thing ever. I actually decided that I wasn't going to sell mine, and now I'm kind of excited I didn't. Although I don't know if that 75 tag is right or wrong, but it's definitely neat. I never even looked it up because I liked it so much. I didn't want to know. And there's more. Let's see what we got here. Look at the pigs. Those are hilarious. Staffordshire. Really pretty perfume bottle. The Fenton fish is neat. Look at all the little poodles. I like that pink one. And of course the blue one. The blue one's 19. That's about what I would probably get for that after fees. Oh, there's a discount, but still a little close. Purple slag glass. You know I love my slag glass. 46. And then in here, oh my gosh, this frosted blue. Look at that. And satin. That is gorgeous. 75 and 20%. Look at this thing. It's kind of bizarre. This is my friend Lisa's booth. Look at this thing. 25 topsy-turvy boy. That is adorable. Those are hard to find. And then this perfume bottle. It's kind of neat. Wow, I couldn't help but notice the bluebirds. That's awesome. Oh man, for a collector, that's a steal. Hey, check out this horse. It's kind of like the smaller one I saw, $12. That's kind of cool. Chinese horse. Huh. $12. It seems really reasonable. It's not really my style. I feel like if you caught me on the right day, I would be excited to see it, but not really in a brown horse mood right now. This booth never has a discount. They have one, so I'm checking extra hard. I love that perfume bottle. That's it. What does that say? 23? No, that must be. Is that 23? Interesting. Oh, well, it's under 25, so it wouldn't be discounted. Just kidding. It's 20% over. Over here, more bracelets. These are fun. This NFS, I was gonna say, those are another thing that's hard to find for sale. And when you do, they're usually pretty spendy. Let's keep on rocking here. A color coordinated booth. We all know how we feel about those. Love them. But over here, I see something kind of weird. What in the world is this fantastic thing? UNESCO Cat Bank. Oh, it's so cute though. Is there a discount still? I feel like they used to run 20%. I don't see the sign anymore. Oh, that's so good. 1980. 15 bucks though. I don't know if I can swing that. Hey, check this out. Red candy dish with holder. That's so sweet. Ooh, look at these bracelets over here with the rhinestones. These are cool. $7. No stones missing. No stones missing. Sold and sold. Those are really funky. Well, of course the glass is pretty, but it's actually that in the back that I'm looking at. E.C. Beckman Pottery, C. 1940s. Man, that thing is neat. And Blanco, Murano, all the good stuff. Tell you what, it's been a while since I peeked over here. That green one is epic. And I couldn't help but notice that Enid Collins bag with the daisies. That is amazing. That's 150 bucks, but it looks like it's in perfect condition. And I love the little mink cat brooch set. Oh my God, I need a key. Vintage geometric wide bangle, $30. That thing is sick. That's really neat too, but for 30 bucks, that's kind of a no-brainer back there. What is that? Oh my God. It's not well. I love it so much. Man, that's tempting. I see 30% off. I also see this. Do I want to know? Glass jar. That's amazing. Also, looks like pristine. That's so cool. I'm glad it's not pink. Well, what do we have here? Laurel Birch, giant pitcher, $29. It's really freaking cool. It's also really freaking big. Yeah, it's kind of hard to leave that behind, but it's just so big and bulky. I don't really want to mess with it, at least today. Hey, check this bubbly thing out. That's kind of neat. It's got that certain look to it. I feel like this is the vendor that had a bracelet I really liked that I never bit the bullet on, and it's been a while since I saw it. Every time I like look over here, I'm like, maybe it just moved. Little half dolls. You know I love a good perfume bottle. Check this one out. $29. And I totally missed the 30% off sign, so I am gonna go ahead and grab that for $7. And what about this little guy? $7 and 30% off. $7 and 30% off. And what about the chocolate one? That would be $7. Yeah. It's got a little bit of wear, but chalkware usually does. For $7, I'm just gonna take it. Let me stop being weird. I need a lot of cats. Well, that's freaking gorgeous. And 30% off. Wow, that's amazing. Dude, can we talk about this? That's amazing. The pig with binoculars. I think it's the German one too. And of course you can't, no, I have sickness for these. Wow. That's a good buy for that price, especially for a collector. I do have a collection of those, but I have one similar in better condition. So I'm gonna leave that. I probably could make a couple bucks off of it, but I don't wanna buy it for resale in the condition it's in. I'm kind of picky about those. I'm just gonna do one final last sweep before I hand Takahashi San Francisco. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna grab all the cats. Why not? Now, over here, is there anything I missed over here? There's some blue cats. They're kind of weird though. And I did go back for the little bluebird and the porcelain fly. Look at the butterfly display. That's only $15. That's kind of hard to ship though. Just looking for chipping. It's really sweet. Well, I'm about to check out, but I almost forgot. One thing caught my eye. Oh, that's so cool. Iguana pot. $65. That's so cool. It's so broken though. That's a pass. Well, I spent $211 there, and now I am off to Whatnot. I will see you guys when I get there.